This is Political Science and second chapter. And this is my third part of this chapter, that is the role of Constitution and the definition of the Constitution. In this video, I am just talking about the two topics. Definition of a Constitution. A constitution is a document that contains the supreme law of the land. It describes the form of government that exists in a country. According to the Gilchrist, the constitution of a state is the body of ruler or laws, written or unwritten, which determine the role of organization of government, the distribution of power to the various organs of the government. In short, we say that the constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all the people living together in the country. That means everybody accepts this written law. The second topic is role of the Constitution. The role of the Constitution, we can say the importance of the function of the Constitution. It generating a degree of trust and coordination between ruler and citizen. That means people of the country having diverse interests live together. You go through the picture, here you can see the different religions people live together, Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs and so on. The another community, that means the Bengali, Tamils, Tibetans and tribal people also, they all are live together in the same country, where the culture of the public are different, but all they have the trust on the Constitution. It specifies the government will be made, who will have the power to take which decision. You also know in India that is a democratic government, but there are so many different layers: panchayat, block samiti, state government and then central government. The Constitution divides the different subject and different power to each of the organ. Whatever the three organ also there: executive, judiciary and legislature. So it is also describe the different power. Constitution distribute the power and give direction to the different organ of the government. It also lay down the limit of the power of the government. That means no one can enjoy the whole power. Prescribe the rights also and the duties of the citizens. As it distribute the power, the president have different power, the legislature, executive, judiciary, all they have the different power. At the same time, we citizens of the country enjoy lots of rights and we have lot of duty towards our country. So, the Constitution also give direction about our rights and duties. It also expressing the aspiration of the pupil about creation a good society. That means every pupil have some different aspiration. The society, the community have different aspiration, and it is only the way through the constitution we can create under the specific rule and regulation a good society. I think you are understand about this role of constitution.